Alright guys, this is Ray here at Jeeps Unlimited. I'm going to be showing you a CJ7 tub. Will work from anything from 76 all the way up to 86 CJ7s. This one's actually in pretty good shape. So I'll start with the bottom because I was doing my photos last and it's already in the air, so why not? But there's the very first body mount. Might be a little hard to tell with the sun out there, but very clean and good shape. Second body mount, very clean and very good shape. And then same with the third body mount. This is on the rear, this is on the passenger side. There is a couple of little flaws in this guy, but very easy to deal with. So you can kind of see here, let me go ahead and click there. That is the underside, passenger side. No flaws there, but on the outside of it you can see it has a typical spot right underneath the Jeep logo that needs some minor TLC. And then if you start working your way around, the underside where the rear gas tank and everything goes is in really good shape. Same thing with the body mounts, and same thing with the rear mounting tabs. And this is the driver's side rear, and that's where the gas tank is on the driver's side rear. And then here's the third body mount on the side in the rear on the driver's side. Second body mount, first body mount. And then driver's side does need a little bit of work. If you're looking for a tub in pretty good pricing and pretty good shape, that's not like Swiss cheese or anything, this is definitely a good candidate. We'll show you the underside. This is kind of like right underneath the driver's side floorboard in the corner edge there. And then there's the outside of it. So those typical spots right underneath the Jeep logo, everybody knows if you got a CJ or any Jeep in general, for some reason that's the spot they like to usually start showing some rust first. But there's that on the driver's side front, right underneath the Jeep logo. When I lower it, I do a pretty good, better view of that area. And same thing right in the rear, has it as well, some cancer. But these are all areas that are pretty easy to repair. That one you can see there, it got through. You can see right through the bottle there. So this water gets trapped in here and sits. These are very popular areas for that to happen at. But there's no other flaws other than that. These guys are in really good shape, and if you're looking for a tub that's not Swiss cheese and you want to do a very minor repair work, something like this, definitely be a great candidate. Compared to our pricing for our grade A tubs, we'll definitely have this guy discounted for the flaws it has, and definitely be something well to work with and to build your project back up at if you're on a budget or something. This would definitely be the tub for that. And let me go ahead and show you the rest of it. So this is the top side, all very clean, no rust. Everything is in really good shape on the top side here. And we got our blaster got some of the paint off of this thing. Whoever painted this didn't do a very well job. And then here's the driver floor pan. Like I said, we got it down to the metal when we were painting it. Whoever did this just didn't paint it right or when we were washing it. So what you see is just leftover water residue. When water hits the metal, it just turns that color. But all in really good shape. Nothing wrong with the firewall. Same with the tonneau covers. And the roll bar area is in pretty good shape. We'll show you that. And here's the passenger rear roll bar mounting tab. Mounting area. And back corners are in really good shape. Nothing wrong with the corners or the side at all. Other than, down there like I was just showing you a little bit earlier. And here's the back end of it. All in very good shape. Driver's side, gas tank, quarter panel area. All in really nice shape. And the passenger side doesn't have anything wrong with it on this lower end like the driver's side did. But yeah, we'll show you the mounting area for the roll bar. And then the rear roll bar one does happen to have a little bit showing through here, but these are really easy areas to do. They're flat, like you can see the rigid here. These roll bars are a flat spot, so you can do that piece of metal fairly easy. There's no grooves you have to make or anything. It's just a nice little square and some nuts on the bottom end of it, and you're good to go. And the passenger floor pan, really nice shape. Again, that's from when we washed it in the water being there from hitting the bare metal. But we try to get all this stuff off of here. They had some type of weird heat shield stuff glued to this firewall and floor. They didn't do a good job at it, and yeah, that's why you're seeing all the little flaky stuff. Other than that, it's in really good shape. Here's the floor, and here's the top driver or passenger side, and then that's to show you that area again on the passenger side, right underneath the Jeep logo, and the firewall, all in really good shape. Now give me a call. My name is Ray. I'm going to be the one you're talking to on the phone most likely. 303-666-9020. You can see this tub on our website, jeepsunlimited.net, and many other parts. If you don't see something you need or you want, give us a call. We probably have it. We have a whole bunch of inventory back here in the yard that's not even on our website yet, and we're trying our best to get it all up there, but we're really busy at these times. But yeah, just let us know and give us a call. Thanks.